Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about two popular retirement savings options, the Roth IRA and the 401k, and help you decide which one is right for you. Let's start with the Roth IRA. This type of account is perfect for individuals who expect to be in a higher tax bracket when they retire. With a Roth IRA, you pay taxes on your contributions upfront, but your withdrawals and retirement are tax-free. It's an excellent choice for young professionals who have many years ahead of them to let their investments grow tax-free. On the other hand, there's the 401k. This employer-sponsored retirement plan is a great option for those looking to save for retirement while also reducing their current taxable income. With a 401k, you contribute pre-tax dollars to your retirement savings, which means you pay taxes on your withdrawals during retirement. If your employer offers a matching contribution, it's like free money. So, who should have a Roth IRA? Well, if you're young and anticipate being in a higher tax bracket in the future, the Roth IRA is definitely worth considering. It allows you to take advantage of tax-free growth and potentially save a significant amount of money in taxes over the long term. On the other hand, if you have access to a 401k through your employer, it's usually a smart move to take advantage of it. Especially if there's an employer match, it's like an instant return on your investment. But wait, can you have both a Roth IRA and a 401k? Absolutely. In fact, many financial experts recommend diversifying your retirement savings by utilizing both types of accounts. By contributing to both a 401k and a Roth IRA, you can maximize your tax advantages and create a more secure financial future. To summarize, if you think your tax bracket will be higher in retirement, go for the Roth IRA. If you want to reduce your current taxable income and take advantage of an employer match, go for the 401k. And if you're able, consider utilizing both. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more financial